Alright, this is my 2021 GMC Sierra AT4 with the 6.2 liter V8, and as you have probably seen in my other videos, I replaced the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrac stock tires with Bridgestone Dueler AT Revo 3s in all four corners. Also went up one size, so it's a true 33.2 inch tire. Phenomenal riding tires. Absolutely quiet, comfortable, you name it. But the one thing I noticed with this truck, and I put the tires on there, it has, the ride quality isn't quite where I want it with the Rancho shocks, especially the rear shocks. I don't know how to describe it. Squishy butt, doesn't stay planted with the Ranchos. It just felt weak in the rear end, especially when you're rounding a turn with a bump, and you know how the back end will articulate when you go to accelerate. With those Ranchos, it was just all over the damn place. Now, with the Bilstein 5100s on there now, let's see if I can get down here. I just put these on this morning. I've got some still pictures I can show you. Night and day difference. Night and freaking day difference. Just got back from the store and running around town, hitting every bump I could. This back end is now stable. Unbelievable difference in control, smoothness, comfort. It's awesome. Awesome freaking riding shocks and tires on this AT4. Unfreaking believable. Now the problem I had with the Bilstein shocks is that they wouldn't match up with a 2021. So I worked with a vendor and said, well, I'm just going to do the 2020 GMC Sierra AT4, and you know, I'm pretty sure that they didn't change much between the years, and it doesn't look like they did. They didn't change much. These are the stock Rancho shocks that I just took off this morning. About a half an hour job, if that. Very easy to do with hand tools. Not hard at all. And I don't know what the PSI rating on these shocks are, but this is fully extended, and when I had the Bilsteins out and pushed down on them, much smoother, a little bit tighter, much smoother than these things. These things just have a spring back quick, very strange. So glad those are off. Big difference in ride quality, smooth. And also with these Bridgestone Dueler AT Revo 3 tires, these are 10-ply load E rated tires, 10-ply. So they're more of a truck tire, but man, they're smooth and quiet. Very smooth and quiet. And lastly, I'm going to be selling these guys probably today. These are the stock Goodyear Wrangler Duratrac AT tires that came with the truck. 32-inch tire, 6-ply. Not a 10-ply, 6-ply, load C rated tire. Much better match with the Bridgestones. Sexy looking too. Look at that. Nice. Alright, there you have it. One smooth running machine.